and welcome to lab number 10, the fluid friction and for major and minor losses. So very quick, make sure you have the software downloaded on a laptop. If you need help with that, we'll have another video or document showing you how to do that. Let's talk first about how to do friction losses in straight, smooth pipes. So you'll take our two transducers here, which are connected to the data collection system. Red is going to be our inlet, our H1, and green is going to be our outlet, our H2. So make sure you know which one is which. Inlet for this portion of the experiment should go on the left side, and outlet should go on the right side. So we're going to put our inlet here, and our outlet here.
Great. And you should turn on the faucet.
And this will make sure that this length of pipe is what we're actually testing.
Right.
In order to make sure that only flow is going through the pipe that we want to test, make sure that that valve that you want to test is open, and all other valves are closed.
Correct.
If you leave other valves open, then you'll have flow in parallel
area of them,
in
yes.
other areas.
And these should be also closed too, right?
Make sure one of these, this one can stay open, and this will stay closed. These are the return side. We need to make sure we have some return.
Correct.
But we don't need to split the return.
Yes.
I don't think it really matters.
No.
All right, so once you've connected the two transducers, you'll come over to the Armfield bench and turn it on. I would recommend keeping your flow rates according to the onboard meter here around 12.5 or less.
Yes.
So they can take values of flow rate from 0-ish up to 12.5. I wouldn't go higher than that, just to make sure we keep the equipment working well. But now there's flow coming in this way through our straight segment and then back out.
Discharge, yes.
So you'll come over to the laptop that you have plugged in over here.
Yeah, it should need to be plugged in. Just and after that,
And with the software running in module A, you should be able to see head pressure 1 is reading 4.3 meters, and head pressure 2 is reading 1.07 meters, meaning we see a loss of the subtraction of the two of those. The other thing that's important to make sure you're doing
manipulate
is
the knob.
set your diameter and length to the correct amounts. The length for this test section is 1 meter, so 1,000 millimeters, and the diameter of the pipe that we
17.
chose was 10.
10, yes, sir. 10 millimeters.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Welcome back. So this is going to be part 2 of Lab 10, where we're going to test minor losses through a ball valve. So again, we have the same system, same setup as last time, but you'll notice the position of the transducers is different. What we're testing is this ball valve right here. So the inlet is going to be before the ball valve. Water comes up through this way, and then this is the return side pipe. So this is your inlet, and this is your outlet.
Correct.
And we'll find the pressure loss due to primarily minor losses
Right.
in this segment right here. Make sure the ball valve starts fully open, and the butterfly valve above is closed so that all the water goes through the section we want to test.
And how about these valves? All should be closed?
For these valves right here, it shouldn't really matter, but make sure at least one of them is open. Right now they're all closed, so no water can come through the inlet side at all. I'll open the one in the bottom right here.
Correct. Thank you.
But you can pick whichever combination you like.
Yes.
Again, make sure they're connected to the software. You can still run that in Module A. So we'll turn on the device and show you what that looks like.
Yes. And the water discharge is there, and then you can now from the software. Shall I go to software, right?
Yep. So it's best to, again, keep the discharge, the flow rate around 12.5 or less. And you can see in the software.
And the length and diameter should be unchanged?
No, I guess these should be changed.
Yes. Yes. Later we will figure out and then put those numbers.
Yeah, so you'll have head 1 and head 2 with a much smaller loss than we saw the first time.
For the lengths, can you explain how they should measure, and the diameter? I don't think diameter is changing. I think the length should be from here to here, correct?
The length should be between the center point of the two transducers.
Uh-huh.
So
Which means from there
this
to
ruler
there.
isn't quite long enough, but I'd say it's about 450.
So this means from the inlet to outlet, the whole length should be measured, correct?
Yes, it's about 45 centimeters, but we'll get you an exact value. That'll be about 450. And the pipe diameter
Would be the third.
is probably the same as this one.
Yes.
So we'll get you this
measure.
diameter. Should be about 17 millimeters.
Correct.
We'll double check for you.
And that should be it, right?
I do believe so.
All right. Thank you, Justin.
Thank
and
you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Good luck.
Good.